Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews of the latest products. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Cuisinart Soho 36-aughts blender in Truffle. If you're in the market for a blender that combines convenience, performance, and sleek design, this one could be right up your alley. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the specs. The Cuisinart Soho blender comes with a 36-ounce blending jar, which is a decent size for personal or small family use. It features a clear jar with easy-to-read measurement markings, which is especially useful for precise ingredient measurements. The lid includes a built-in 2-ounce measuring cup, so you don't have to grab an extra measuring cup when you're working with small amounts of liquids or powders. In terms of functionality, the blender boasts a straightforward one-touch operation, making it ideal for those who prefer simplicity. There are blend and pulse settings to give you flexibility for different textures, whether you're making a smoothie or a salsa. Plus, cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the removable blade assembly that ensures you won't be left scraping hardened food residue. Finally, it has built-in cord storage to keep your countertop neat, and the blender is also dishwasher-safe, saving you precious time. Now, let's get into how it performs in real-world scenarios. Setting up the Cuisinart Soho blender was quick and easy, with no complicated assembly. The operation is as simple as promised. Just press the button to blend or pulse, and you're good to go. I tested it with a variety of tasks: smoothies, crushed ice, and a few salsas. For smoothies, the blender handled frozen fruit with ease, giving me a nice smooth consistency. The pulse function also worked well for chopping up vegetables for salsa, which is often a tricky task for some blenders. One thing I did notice is that while it did a solid job blending, it wasn't the quietest blender on the market. It's not overly loud, but if you're used to quieter models, this may catch your attention. As for the cons, it's important to note that while the blender is compact and stylish, the 36-ounce capacity might feel limiting if you're used to larger models, especially for bigger batches. Additionally, while the cord storage is convenient, it's a bit snug, so winding it up requires a bit of patience. And although it's easy to clean, I did find that food sometimes got stuck in the corners of the jar, requiring a little more scrubbing than I would have liked. But honestly, these are relatively minor drawbacks when considering the overall value. Speaking of value, let's talk about whether the Cuisinart Soho blender is worth its price. At this price point, it offers solid performance and a range of features that make it a great choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly blender. Compared to other blenders in the same price range, like the NutriBullet or the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher, the Soho offers a more streamlined and compact design without sacrificing performance. You're getting the functionality you need for everyday blending tasks without any unnecessary extras that drive up the cost. Is it the best blender out there? Probably not, but for the price, it delivers what it promises. When it comes to build quality, the Cuisinart Soho blender feels solid and durable. The materials are sturdy, and everything feels well put together, which is always a good sign when investing in kitchen appliances. I wouldn't expect it to last decades, but with proper care, it should hold up well for a few years. It's also worth noting that Cuisinart is a reputable brand with a history of making high-quality products, so you can feel confident about the build quality overall. Customer support isn't something I had to rely on for this review, as everything worked as expected straight out of the box. That said, Cuisinart has a strong reputation for customer service, and if you ever run into issues, you can expect responsive and helpful assistance. Now let's talk about some alternatives. If you're considering this model, you might also be looking at something like the Ninja Professional Blender or the Vitamix 5200. Both offer more advanced features, especially in terms of power and capacity. The Ninja, for example, is more powerful, but it's also bulkier and pricier. The Vitamix is a high-end option with a much higher price tag, and while it offers superior performance, it's probably overkill for anyone just looking for a simple, everyday blender. So, the Cuisinart Soho strikes a nice balance for those who want an affordable, compact blender that does the job without breaking the bank. In conclusion, The Cuisinart Soho 36-aughs blender delivers solid performance, a sleek design, and practical features that make it a great choice for small households or individuals who want a straightforward, easy-to-use blender. While its 36-ounce capacity might not be for everyone, and the cord storage could be better, these are minor inconveniences in an otherwise solid appliance. For the price, it offers excellent value, making it a great choice for those on a budget who don't want to compromise on performance. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Cuisinart Soho blender, check out the link in the comments below. And as always, we love hearing your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment if you've used this product or if you have any questions. Until next time, this has been Reviews Inside TV, where we bring the product reviews straight to you.